Okay, hello guys, welcome to the channel once again, and let me update you on this concerning OEX wallet binding for the OEX token withdrawal. Even after a successful withdrawal address binding, you will still see link withdrawal address. You will still see this link withdrawal address, and this doesn't mean maybe you didn't do it right, or it's not connected, or it's not binded. It is done, okay, but you still see this. So once you get that message, successful binding, you are done, but you still see this. So you seeing this is a no problem, okay. And the second question is, people are asking if they can change it. They can change the address they use. Yes, you can. You can change the address, which has been confirmed by the Satoshi app on their X handle. So they posted that from now till the 27th, which is the close date for withdrawal address binding. Any address you have submitted, you have from now to 27 to change that if you think you made or you submitted a wrong address, okay. So you can change that, but note, you have from now to 27th of this very month, okay. So that's that. And on the wallet address to use, they made it clear in a post they made on X, that you can use any Web3 wallet address. You can use any Web3 wallet address. So for me, to be on the safer side, you should use their OEX app, the address in their OEX app, or you can use your MetaMask. You can also use your MetaMask, okay, if you imported that into your what do you call it, the OEX app, okay. So you must have the OEX app. And remember, they have released an update for their OEX app, so do not download from the Play Store, because the newly updated one is not yet on Google Play Store. So I will leave a link in the description, which you can download the updated version of the app from, okay, so that you can be able to sign in and complete your withdrawal binding for sure, okay. So that's that. I think this is the questions people have been asking, and these are the answers to them, okay. Yeah, you can change your address. It's possible, but it's from now to 27th. Yeah, and if you have linked and you got that successful message, and you are still seeing this, it is linked, you are done, okay. So that's that. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.